Let's find 1 over 4 of 3 meters in centimeters. 1 over 4 of 3 meters means 1 over 4 times 3 meters. From the SI unit table for length, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then 3 meters will be equal to 3 meters times 100 centimeters all over 1 meter. Simplifying, 1 meter divided by 1 meter, we are left with 1, and 3 meters divided by 1 meter, we are left with 3. 3 times 100 centimeters is equal to 300 centimeters. Substituting gives us 1 over 4 times 300 centimeters. Simplifying, 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 300 divided by 2 will give us 150. Simplifying further, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, and 150 divided by 2 will give us 75, which equals 75 centimeters. Therefore, 75 centimeters is 1 over 4 of 3 meters in centimeters.